collection. Can you tell us what can we expect from this?
So expect enhanced comfort. Because again, jeans just not need to be fashionable, they need to be comfortable. Millennial like me, age reveal, or someone who likes retro styles, guess what? We have something back. We have the boot cut jeans and the baggy jeans that you can actually see maybe in a bit later.
That's actually, basically, you have something for everyone, which is perfect. I'm so excited because, of course, a lot of people know, first of all, Filipinos love their jeans, right? And second, we all experience that sometimes when you wear jeans, they're not really the most comfortable, right? Sometimes it can be a little bit stiff, you can't really sit down, lalo na pag busog ka. Good luck trying to sit down, diba? But this time, they're so much more comfortable, and I'm definitely digging these types of pants, and it really does look so much more elevating.
Yes.
Diba? As your main piece. I mean, I'm also wearing them now. I love them so much.
So maybe we share actually what the models are wearing. I'm sure you're all interested. So Derek is wearing a wide straight jeans. So a little bit of education on our silhouettes. Wide straight jeans, so hips kind of wraps the hip just right, and then it goes very straight from top to bottom. Okay? And then with Antonia here, she's wearing a baggy curved jeans, which is actually one of our viral pieces. So if you're a little bit more curvy or kind of a bit pear-shaped, this is the perfect jeans for you.
Definitely more elevated, and I love how some styles are making their way back, right, Jan?
Correct.
It's so cute and super comfortable. I've been wearing it hosting all day, running errands, and you definitely feel so comfortable.
Yes. And Uniqlo, we believe, relax. It's denim.
Ooh, I
Because
like that.
it's comfortable, you can relax and do your own thing even when you're denim.
But I think that really is, you mentioned earlier, coming back with some styles. I think that's the nature of fashion in general, right, Jan?
Yes. Again, we are lifewear, so we believe that, jeans is something you should be wearing quite often. But more importantly, what Uniqlo really invests in is not just the silhouettes. We invest on the Japanese craftsmanship of it. So all our jeans does not just go through the, styling, but it also actually goes through our Jeans Innovation Center in LA.
My Jeans Innovation Center.